These two watches are from the Omega Swatch Speedmaster Moonswatch range. This one here is the mission to Jupiter, and this one here is the mission on Earth Lava. The reason I got both of these is purely because of Ultraman. Mission to Jupiter was the first to reference the Ultraman Speedmaster with the orange seconds hand. Reading from the Swatch website, it says, the chronograph seconds hand and subdial hands at 10 and 2 o'clock are in orange in homage to the Omega Speedmaster Ultraman. And that's it. However, with the more recent mission on Earth Lava model, there is more to it than the seconds hand. Again, reading from the Swatch website, it says, the chronograph seconds hand is in orange as a nod to the Omega 1968 Speedmaster Moonwatch Ultraman model's colour and shape. If we look at the watch again, we can see that the seconds hand is not only orange, but it looks like the one from the actual Ultraman Speedmaster. In fact, this lava model resembles this Speedmaster more. And just to make the lava model look even more like the Ultraman Speedmaster, I removed the original strap and attached this NATO.